In this video, we'll explore the concept of similar shapes in GCSE Maths. Similar shapes have the same shape, but not necessarily the same size. They have congruent angles and proportional sides. Two shapes are described as similar if one is an enlargement of the other. The shapes do not need to be orientated the same way. In this example, triangles ABC and DEF are similar. Triangle DEF is an enlargement scale factor 2. Line segment EF corresponds to AC. EF equals AC times 2, which is 3 times 2. Therefore, EF equals 6 centimeters. Similarly, line segment DE corresponds to BC. DE equals BC times 2, which is 4 times 2. Therefore, DE equals 8 centimeters. In this example, AB is parallel to XY. The lines AY and BX intersect at P. AB equals 6 centimeters. XP equals 12.5 centimeters. XY equals 15 centimeters. Work out the length of BP. To answer this question, we would make a proportion of side AB over side B, P equals side X, Y over XP. After cross-multiplying, we have 75 equals 15x. 75 divided by 15 is 5. The length of side BP is 5 centimeters. The following questions are the type that will be on the higher GCSE. Two solid shapes, A and B, are mathematically similar. The base of shape A is a circle with radius 4 centimeters. The base of shape B is a circle with radius 8 centimeters. The surface area of shape A is 80 square centimeters. Work out the surface area of shape B. The scale factor from shape A to shape B is 2. That means the area scale factor is 2 squared, which is 4. The surface area of shape A is 80. Therefore, the surface area of shape B is 80 times 4, which is 320. The given volume of shape B is 600 centimeters cubed. The scale factor is 2, therefore the volume scale factor is 2 cubed, which is 8. We divide 600 by 8, which gives us the volume of the smaller shape A of 75. Thank you for watching. If you would like further assistance, please contact us at thompsoneducate.com.